Hey, so what's going on? So I'm getting a build that's $1,300, and the whole setup costs $1,500, and I want to die, but yeah, you guys will see all the unboxings. I'll put all the parts in the description. Other than that, enjoy the video. I'll show you what the before and after setup looks like. And yeah, just enjoy.
Yeah. What is going on, guys? Oh god, I can't. We'll just roll with it. I just wanted to show you guys what my basement, my kind of hangout looks like before. Some of the upgrades I'm gonna get, some of the lens flares I'm gonna get right now. Those are all gonna go away. And I don't know. These are the refurbished Razor Krakens. They're not obviously not chroma, but the chroma ones are over here, and they are sweet. Let's get those in the white. They are so cool. Can't wait to get my computer. Originally, this is what was gonna be, where it was gonna be placed. It was gonna have a monitor and keyboard and all that here. And let's also take in consideration of my outlet. Oh yeah, I have sheet walls. My outlet that's hanging, my Ethernet cord. I'm gonna have to get a bridge. It'll all work out, but I got an office chair to also go with the whole thing. I've been looking forward to this for a while now, and yeah, guys, that's gonna do it. I guess we'll have like a little bit before and after. So let me just get that in. Does that look good? Yeah, it looks pretty good. Alright, see you guys later.
Guys, so most of my parts came in. We have 1, 2, and we have a big old one on the table later. But for now, I just want to do a little unboxing. So, this will tell you pretty much all the parts I got. We'll see if anything's damaged. Let's see how the U.S. Postal Service did its job. Alright, guys. Okay, not gonna lie, this looks sweet. Alright, so first we have just a standard surge protector. I feel like we should get the accessories out of the way. So this will be on the list if you want this, guys. So, oh no. Alright, what should we do first? We'll go with accessories. We have this Steel Series mouse mat. Oh, I'll box it right now. So here's my Steel Series mouse pad. It's pretty sweet looking. Alright, then we have my surge protector. Oh, I don't even want to see this. It's like 12 outlets, I think. Yeah, 12 outlets. Pretty sweet. Nah, whatever. Alright, this is the HyperX DDR4 RAM. Looks like there's some notes back there, but this is 16 gigabytes worth of RAM.
Your thing that you had to get, that's in the corner right here.
Yeah.
That is huge.
Well,
it's pretty smaller, but
yeah. Alright, so accessories still. Oh, I always get Razor stuff refurbished, so I never actually get the Razor box. I'm finally gonna have a box. It is the Razor Death Adder Chroma. Thought this was a pretty good one to buy. I'm sure most people are familiar with it. This is the Microsoft Windows 10. You can't get Windows. I can't get upgrade free from Windows 8. Now we have our thermite. Our thermal paste. My bad, thermite. So yeah, I went with custom fan. I guess that's what I should probably show next.
that's my next thing.
You gonna buy this one?
No.
I got this one just because it had five like copper contacts with the processor. That way it's cool. I don't even know. It just seems like the more contact you make, the better it is.
I'm gonna get one like that, or
It's the Hyper X12, by the way. I got two. I think. Yeah, these are just 2 Ethernet cards. I think they're like 20 foot. Oh, yes, it is the 550 gold watt thing. Power supply. EVGA Supernova. It's really felt like I'd probably need one of these.
There's always room for upgrade.
This is the MSI Gaming M3.
Something like that.
I'm not about the red because you have a red setup, but this I'm really hoping that.
MSI motherboards always look cool though.
Yeah, they do, and the USBs are kind of red, and guys. And now we have the processor. There it is. There it is, boys. That's about it. It came from made in Vietnam. That'll happen. It is the i5 core Intel unlocked. Yeah, might as well put your hand. Let's get right. Let's get right into the news.
That's my name.
So we'll have to cut this video into 2 pieces. I still have some parts coming in, but I just got this in today. I'm going to unbox them. So over with the packaging. This is the Best Doctor Chroma. I don't know. You can probably see that pretty well, actually. I don't know. Maybe the white's good. Hopefully it is. I chose this one because it's chick-like. I was having debates on like getting a mechanical keyboard, like the Corsair keyboard.
Speaker? Soundbar.
Are you retarded? There's my monitor, and this is just a 21.5 inch Asus monitor. That over there. A monitor. Now that I think about it, it kind of looks small, but I didn't want anything too expensive. Yeah, Dad. Dad, I'm doing a video. Alright guys, racist dad here. What's the difference between a black man and an elevator? He said, elevator raises the kids. So anyway, this has 1 millisecond response time. It was fairly new. Had some good reviews on it. I bought it. Dad.
You're gonna have to help me through this box.
I will. This is Pearl. Oh, yeah, I'm getting choked. Cool. Alright, boys. Oh, there it is. Alright, this is the case. Is this it? It's all okay. So it went from a lot to little. It's not like this case was $90. Oh, take that box. This is the suppressor F31 thermal take, and I chose this because it's silent and silent deadly. Only reasons why. Yeah, so that's it for this part. I have to wait a week and whatnot to build the rest of the computer. So that'll happen here shortly. Alright, I'll see you guys later.
Where's the record button?
It's going. Oh, where's my knife?
Hey YouTube, I didn't see you there. Welcome to this unboxing, which today we're going to be unboxing this computer. So let's get into it, YouTube.
This is I got fans, a hard drive, and my GPU. Oh my God!
We are ready. We have a GeForce GTX 1080, guys, 1060, guys. GameWorks, VicWorks. Let's do the honors. Let's do the fucking honors.
Okay.
This garbage ass GTX. 1060,
Alright,
guys.
so this is the GTX GeForce 1060. This came out about 3 months ago from the time of this video. And it's really nice. It's going for around 320-ish. It's the best GPU.
You got us in there now.
It's the best GPU to play in 1080 on ultra settings, and I can't wait to use it. And the only reason why I really liked it, I really liked it because it has 2 fans. I want to keep it cool. So there's that. Has a lot of information on the back.
Pour the water into the...
What are you saying?
You gotta pour the water into the...
Yeah, it's on the side. Oh, show that to the camera. Unbox it. Alright, so cool. Alright, so these are the Corsair SB 120s.
That's the kind of mic Jace has.
I got the twin.
Jace has the Corsair mic.
Okay, so I got these because they're pretty quiet. These are not the high performance, these are the quiet edition. And I just got them because it's cheaper with the twin pack and I need more fan. That's why
Edgy.
This is just a refurbished hard drive. I mean, that's pretty much the end of that.
Ryan told us to always put the drives in first, the hard drive, because he didn't even get the...
Ah! Alright, where's the record button? Where's the record button? Holy. Oh my. Oh my. Hey guys, what is going on? Okay. So all my parts are in here. I should probably turn on the flash actually. It was before. I'm gonna turn on the Xbox actually. Here's the setup now. You've seen it before. You'll see it this time. So Jace is here. That's the only improvement actually. We didn't get a new PC or anything.
Yeah.
Anyway, PC's right here. It's in this nice desk. I'm gonna turn on the flash, but here are my specs.
Oh, my hip.
What happened to your hip?
I just popped it. Can't
You know-
walk.
You know
Crippled.
what this looks like?
Paraplegic.
No, first person porn. Anyway, here's my peripherals. I have a SteelSeries QK something like that plus. It's I think it has enough grip for me. I like a Razer mouse. The Death Adder. I got this Stalker chiclet Razer keyboard. It is really nice. I really like it. Oh man, what a sweet shot.
Money shot.
Yeah, my walls are still made out of carpet. That hasn't changed. My Xbox is still here. I have a router down here now.
Rich.
Faggot.
Yeah.
And then these are the Razer Kraken Chromas that was also here before. Wire management is pretty ass. So as you can see here, I have extension cords, power strips, all coming down here. And now I'm gonna get a video of the flash on. Okay, so now the flash is on. Alright, so here's my PC. I really like the case because it has these dust filters, and it's I had enough space that I could spare room because I'm in the basement. Well, anyway, got the fans going. On TF2 right now. This blue LED bullshit light I hate. But I'll try to keep it clean, and this should make it to where we should be having higher class videos, because he's garbage and he has a garbage computer and he's jealous. Get over it. So yep, that'll be it for this sort of meme. First person porn. Ow! Piece of... Okay, this video's over.